Hi there. Today we're in St George's Hill, one of Greater London's most exclusive neighbourhoods. And today I'm going to be showing you this £17,950,000 home built and designed by Edelweiss London. This home has 7 bedrooms, 9 bathrooms, a screening room, a chef's kitchen, and a swimming pool and spa, which you have to see to believe, so make sure you stay till the end. I'm Toby Corban, and you're watching Luxury Living in London. Welcome to the grand entrance hall, and I mean, just take a look at this space. Absolutely beautiful. You have your Italian marble floors which run all throughout this space, and a key detail we can't miss, this staircase, a spiral staircase elevates into all 3 floors. You have this custom Italian balustrade complementing the staircase, and then your chandelier rising up to the skylight, which just brings in that natural light. The details in this home are incredible, including the traditional moldings on the walls and also the ceilings. Now, in the entrance hall, we have the living area, reception, kitchen, and some offices. We're going to see that in a moment, so hang tight. But first, let's head upstairs and check out the bedroom suites. All right, and here we are on the first floor, which is home to the bedroom suites. You have that same Italian marble, which runs all throughout the space in your beige and gray tones. And then once again, plaster on the walls, complemented with your wall sconces. Now, one thing that I love in this space is just the skylight. It opens up, brings in that natural light, and it just makes the space feel really open and airy. Fantastic detail there by the designers. All right, let's head through and check out the first bedroom. So here we are in the primary bedroom suite, and what an incredible space. I mean, starting off with the ceiling height, I'm quite tall, but I feel comfortable in this space. You have a king-size bed set up here. Now there's oak floors with brass inlay, so the details in this home, impeccable. And then on this side, we have a nice cozy seating area. I'm gonna take a seat just to do a bit of a comfort test. Oh yeah, that's super relaxing. You have your game set up there already for you. And then just behind me, a bay window, which overlooks the back of the home, and just a magnificent space to relax from. You don't just have to sleep here. This is really a wake up, have your coffee, and relax. Above, we have built-in surround sound. Of course, we have the traditional molding on the walls, just elevating the essence of this home. So let's head through and check out the ensuite bathroom. Now, another thing to point out is just the details in this home. We also have a fantastic finish here on the wall, and then another skylight above me. And I like the dark tone finish on the marble here. We have a black sink, super cool. There's a walk-in shower, also surrounded in a dark tone marble with these red veins, and it's book matched also in this walk-in shower. Massive rainfall shower head, but that's not it. Through here, we have the walk-in wardrobe, and what a space this is. Floor to ceiling storage. This is a perfect space for you. And also there's a skylight above, bringing in that natural light, so you know exactly what you're gonna wear. If we make our way down here, we actually have a his and hers ensuite bathroom. Take a look at this space. We have a freestanding bathtub here. Behind the bathtub, a walk-in shower. And this shower is absolutely massive. I mean, just take a look at all this space. This should give you a scale. Huge rainfall shower head, and just the details, the stonework, book matched, everything, simply stunning. On the opposite side, we have the vanity unit, and then there's a chandelier above. And through here, we have the hers closet, which is twice the size of the his. I mean, this space, amazing. Plenty of storage. Skylight once again, and that's one thing I love about this home is the natural light. They've really thought about bringing in that light into the home. Sometimes at homes it can feel a bit dark, but in here you're not missing out. Okay, and that's the primary bedroom suite. Now we have the primary bedroom guest suite, which is through here. You're gonna like this. Now, starting off with your chevron pattern hardwood floors, my favorite pattern, runs all throughout this space. Here we have this textured wallpaper design with this arch pattern, which matches the windows. We'll see that in a moment. And then we have your built-in wardrobes here, which runs wall to wall with plenty of storage. Let's head through to the main side of this bedroom. We have the king size bed on this side. There's a wall-to-wall headrest, 2 bedside tables, and then we're just surrounded with these windows, and I love the arch on the windows too. Now through here we actually have a terrace which overlooks the garden, so a fantastic feature to have some outside space in this bedroom. On this side we have your seating area, so 2 seats here. The layout has been well thought out by the designers. Okay, so that's this side of the bedroom. Let's head through and check out the ensuite bathroom just through here. And the first thing that catches my eye is the stone finish. We have this light finish on the floors here, dark tones all throughout this walk-in shower. And then we have the vanity unit here with a massive sink to finish off the ensuite bathroom. Okay, that's not it. Let's keep going. We're gonna see more. And through here we have the 3rd bedroom. Now a generous size in this space, another king size bed here. And here in the ensuite bathroom, we have some incredible stonework here on the countertop of the vanity, and then also on the floor and the walk-in shower. Now this is onyx, which is a super rare stone, and I love the finish here. And through here we have the 4th bedroom. And it's a generous space in here. It matches the room that we've just seen. King size bed in here, the walk-in wardrobe and the ensuite bathroom. We'll keep it moving and check out the 5th bedroom. Chevron patterns again. It's slightly bigger than the room that we've just seen. We get views of the garden, and here we have the built-in wardrobes with plenty of storage space through here, and I like the finish on the exterior of the wardrobe. Stepping into the final bedroom, we have a hardwood finish here, king size bed here, and then we're surrounded with windows. Now from here it flows into the ensuite bathroom, book matched once again. Freestanding bathtub which overlooks the garden, so you can enjoy the tub with a nice view. And then behind me we have the walk-in shower, and yes, of course, it's layered in marble. A lot of marble to see. All right, now we're back on the ground floor. We're gonna head over to this wing, which is home to the offices. Here we have the first office. Now, if you're working from home, this is simply paradise for you. Your desk set up here, and then behind it, 2 large windows which overlook the front of the home. You have your shelving unit there, and just everything that you need for a home office. Hardwood floors with your steel inlays, and just that detail in the home is simply stunning. We'll keep it moving. Welcome to my executive suite. Take a look at this. You have to take a seat at the desk, and just imagine sitting here, closing deals, getting some major business done. This is home, right? It's perfect. The floor, once again, this is a hardwood basket weave, but there's also your marble inlay. And just imagine having a detail like that in your home. Impeccable. Seating area here with the windows also. And here we have a TV unit with a lacquer finish on the front of it. All right, and through here we have the first of 2 reception rooms. Stepping in, ceiling height continues in this space. We have your hardwood basket weave pattern on the floors, and I love that pattern. Seating area here, a large glass coffee table. And one thing that I have to touch on is the fireplace. We have this floor to ceiling book matched marble fireplace. Book matching marble is very time consuming. And not just that, we also have this integrated lighting in this space. Now this room also gets bifolding doors which lead out to the garden. We'll keep it moving. From here, we have the second reception space. This is the more informal reception area. You also get doors which lead directly out to the garden, and then an additional seating area here with a glass window which looks directly at the spiral staircase. So almost every angle here leads back to the spiral staircase, and I just love the design of this home. here we have the informal kitchen area. Just take a look at this space. Firstly, we have a large island in the center with this Italian marble finish on the countertop. We have a dual induction hob by Gaggenau. One thing I really like is how the knobs here below it have been seamlessly integrated into this section. Fantastic detail there. We have a wine fridge, massive sink, and then on the opposite side, we also get that same marble finish on the countertop as well as the backsplash. Detail that I love is this dark wood, hardwood finish on the cabinetry. We have your fridge and freezer through here, and then double Gaggenau ovens and the coffee machine to finish off the informal kitchen. But it gets better, there's a surprise. If you follow me through this door, we actually get the chef's kitchen. And I know, right? Absolutely incredible. Now, finished in stainless steel all throughout. It's almost like an episode of The Bear in here. We have all this countertop space for cooking and just everything that a chef would need to prepare some incredible food. 6 burners here, and then just all the appliances by Gaggenau that you could think of. Dual fridges also. Okay, that's the chef's kitchen. Let's head through here. The dining area, seating for 8 at this table, marble floors which are spread all throughout this space. We have textured wallpaper here, and then 2 large windows just behind me overlooking the front of the home. Now that's the dining area, that's also the ground floor. Now we're gonna head downstairs and check out the entertainment level with a swimming pool and spa that you're not gonna believe. I'll see you down there. Another great feature of this home is that there's a lift with access to every floor. So let's take that this time, and I'll see you down there. And here we are on the lower ground floor. A great amount of space in here. Beautiful stonework once again. We have the spiral staircase and then this mini Zen garden feature here just below. Now before we check out the swimming pool and spa, I have something to show you. Come with me through this door, where we have what I would like to call the multi-use entertainment room. And the reason why I say that is that there's so much that could be done in this space. You could throw a party in here, you could add some pool tables, make it a games room, or simply just hang out and have some fun in this space. A fantastic layout in this room. Now you also get a kitchenette through that door, and one of my favorite rooms is through here. I'll show you that. Before we get there, just take a look at this. You have marble cladding on the front door of this room. I mean, the attention to detail in this home is incredible. Through here, we actually have the home cinema. What a space this is. Soundproof, we have seating for 8, suede chairs here, and just imagine relaxing and watching your favorite movie. And the great thing about this home cinema is that it's theater level quality. So there's no need to go to the movies, simply come downstairs and you're all taken care of. What a space this is. Okay, let's keep the tour going because I could stay here all day. Now, just before we get into the pool, there is a treatment room through here, just adding to the spa experience of this home. Now we have the swimming pool through this door, which you won't believe. Wow, just take a look at this. There's a lot to take in. Now, one thing to point out is that the designers of this home wanted the swimming pool and spa to feel like a 5-star hotel experience. And I can tell you now, that's exactly what it feels like in here. This pool actually has a motorized pool cover, so you can cover the pool up whenever you wish. There's a water feature on that side with steps leading over to the opposite side, and then behind the wall here is bespoke furniture, which is splash proof. So you don't have to worry about getting it wet. Just take a seat and relax. We're gonna take these steps over to the other side because there's a bit more that I wanna show you. Here we are on the opposite side of the pool, and the spa continues. Now on this side we have your steam room, and it's just a massive space in there. Behind me, the walk-in shower, and just the scale of everything in here is amazing. A sauna here. So this swimming pool area and spa is pretty much everything you can expect from a 5-star hotel or resort. Through these glass doors, you have the Zen garden with the bonsai tree being the statement piece out there. And it just looks and feels like a tranquil space you have a living wall with some hardwood cladding opening up to the garden up top. And that's Parklands, this incredible home here in St. George's Hill. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. For more tools like this, you could hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching Luxury Living in London.